nanos are running out of room, and we're running out of time. Popping balloons always used to scare the hiccups out of me. Oh.
Hey, they're gone! And so are my hiccups!
Bravo!
The balloon must have scared your mighty hiccups away. Now you're not duplicating out of control.
That's it. If we can scare all the nanos in Town Hall, they'll stop hiccuping and stop duplicating. We just need a really big balloon.
Ooh, leave that to me.
Here, Liberty. It's my biggest one.
Woo! Okay, let it fly.
Thanks for the laugh, everyone. Town Hall's all yours. Check it out. I'm just me again.
And that's plenty for us.
Thanks, Liberty.
Well done, Mighty Pups. Thanks to you, Town Hall is still standing.
And Nano is still Nano.
Aww.
You're welcome. Whenever you're in trouble, just for help. Uh-oh.
My Humsquatch costume! You could have ruined it! After all, some people are actually scared of Humsquatches. Not me, of course. Humsquatch!
We've got to stop them. Mayor Humdinger isn't riding on the bumper car safely. We have to get them out of those runaway cars. Chase, use your zip line.
Ruff, zip line. Everybody, grab on.
Huh?
Now that was fun.
Eddie, Emmy.
Sorry we wrecked your carnival.
Thank you, Emmy and Eddie. You both gave everyone a good scare.
The pups will have everything fixed in no time, Mayor Goodway. Even the bumper cars.
Right now, it's back to Foggy Bottom. We have a Humsquatch costume to patch up.
And some seaweed to poke.
Okay.
Thanks to you and the PAW Patrol rider, you've saved our carnival.
Whenever a Humsquatch squashes your fun, just yell for help. Rough Pup Pack Shovel! I sure dig the way it digs.
Time for some big truck water power. Space cargo ready to launch.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6,
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Blast off!
Oh, look, Chicoletta. The phone is working again. Let's get you to class.
Great! My phone is working again. My phone works! Hummy Mummy! Hummy Mummy! Oh, my phone battery ran out.
Thank you, Ryder and Pups. Everyone can use their cell phones again. And Chicoletta made it to her Bernie Ballet class.
You're welcome, Mayor Goodway. Whenever your satellite needs a really big boost, just yelp for help.
Bye, Ryder. Time for me to rock it and roll.
Bye, Al. Keep your wheels spinning, good buddy.
Bye, Al. We'll see you soon. See ya. Later, dude. Let's rebuild it. All right.
Everybody ready to see the new cafe?
Yes! That is so cool! Wow! It connects to my treehouse!
You pups are amazing.
But that's not all. There's way more, right, Rebel? Let's go inside and see.
It's my dream cafe. This is amazing. This is wonderful. This is...
Unacceptable. Mayor Goodway, send me water from Adventure Bay so I can give my kitties a bath.
The kitties aren't the only ones who need a good wash.
I want my water.
Ryder, there's still some air in the pipes. Oh, normal, but I hope that didn't cause any more problems. Oh, no. Actually, Zuma, it may have solved one.
Here are those strawberry spinach biscuits I promised. Thank you, Rubble. Thank you, Charger.
You're welcome. Yum. Just remember, can I say it, Ryder? Can I? Go ahead, Charger. Whenever a tree crunches your cafe, just yelp for help.
Done, Charlie.
Achoo! Definitely kitties. And these are kitty carrier tracks. Mayor Humdinger took the eggs.
But why didn't these eggs hatch like the ones at Katie's?
Hatching happened in my hand and in the pet parlor, which are both warm.
So's the inside of a kitty carrier. We better find Mayor Humdinger.
I'll stay with these space rocks while you search. Give me back my hat!
Uh-oh, all those cute little space rocks might get lost. Rocky, do you have some big metal bowls in your truck?
I've got pretty much everything.
Good. Now, Rubble, pick this up.
Follow me, little space buddies.
These icky creatures need to learn to respect good hats. Ah!
Wow, so cool.
They're saying thanks, Ryder.
You're welcome. Whenever you lose your baby space rocks, just yelp for help.
Bye-bye, baby space rocks.
Try not to move too much, Garby, or that will happen.
PAW Patrol is on its way, Travis. Rocky, balloon repair update.
I just patched the last spot. It's ready to fly.
Awesome. Can you fly it over to Travis and Garby?
I'm on my way.
Easy, easy.
Skye, use your hook to snag the pickup truck's front bumper. Nice. Rocky, where are you?
I
almost right above you.
Great. Lower the balloon's anchor and hook the pickup truck's rear bumper.
Anchors away!
Perfect. Try this.
You and Garby get back in the truck's cab. You're gonna fly back to the farm. Perfect landing, Pups.
You're back! How was the nature hike?
Oh, we saw 2 bunnies and a squirrel.
So, how'd it go here?
The chores were a breeze. Thanks to the PAW Patrol.
Glad we could pitch in. Whenever your chores become a challenge, just yelp for help. You ready to fly, Travis?
Thanks, Rocky. Everyone. And now I'm off to the far east.
He's heading west. Time to make a splash!
This can't be happening!
Go, Coral! Win this for all of us!
Uh-oh, we better set another trap. What? You're out of traps? Fine, let's take a tentacle on Coral. It'll pull her back while it flings us forward for the win.
Sorry, Moby. Wrong Coral. You won!
I'm so proud of you.
I couldn't have done it without you, cuz all I had to do was breathe and have fun.
Cheaters always lose, Moby. This is all your fault. Congratulations, Coral. You are the Puplantis Adventure Bay Friendship Race Champion and Queen of Puplantis for the day.
Wow, this is marvelous. Thanks for helping all us racers.
You're welcome. Whenever you tumble into a trap, just yelp for help.
So, Queen Coral, what will you do on this special day?
I'm just happy to win, Mayor Goodway. But if I could have anything, I'd want the biggest celebration ever!
Yes! No! Nice and wet down here, Robo Dude. It's pretty damp this way, too.
Hench Cat, don't let her zap you. You're no good to me, Small. Just eat the zapper.
Don't mind if I do.
If Meow Meow eats the zapper, we'll never be able to turn him back.
Meow! Tail sweep! Whoa! Shake! Nice catch, Skye!
I just had that fixed for free.
Hey, Meow Meow, how about your favorite snack?
I'm getting dizzy. Perfect aim. Meow, meow.
Yay!
No fair.
Meow, meow.
Ooh, the new bell is so shiny. Thank you, Ryder.
You're welcome, Mayor Goodway, but we couldn't have done it without Wild and the Cat Pack. Thanks, Wild.
It's what friends do.
And if we ever face a giant robot cat again, we'll meow for help. 3 purrs for the cat pack, the bravest kitties in town. Uh-oh, I've got a sinking feeling this sub is not done sinking.
That's it. You can do it.
Looks like Coral needs a little help. Full speed of Hammerhead! We got it! Great job, buddy! Ruff! Autopilot! See you up there, Sub!
We got the last one, Ryder.
The sub is good to go.
Great work, Pups! Robodog, bring it up, please! Nice and easy.
What's happening? Big Squiddly, I can't see. It's working.
The sub is going up! Those rocks are coming down!
The reef. Bubble launcher. Nice one, Cuz.
You did it, Pups! Now let's set it down far away from the trench.
Moby, you can come out now. At least I managed to get one super cool part for my ride. See, Moby? That's a can of fish food.
Fish food? You mean after all that, all I got was this? Yuck! Well, if you don't want it, I see a few fishy friends who might. Sounds like a delicious way to say thanks for all their help. Chase? Ruff! Launcher! Say ah!
Thanks for all your help, everyone. You saved me and the reef.
You're welcome. Whenever you're stuck in a sinking sub, just yelp for help.
Ew, no, yeah. No. Good job. Now, use your body to guide the leaf. You're a natural, Snort. Keep going. The right side looks clear. Stay on my tail and lean hard to your right. Just look ahead. If we keep going, we can beat the boulder. You can do it, Snort. We did it! Happy dance!
It sounds like you all had one wild ride. Yeah, but where did Snort go?
As soon as it was safe, he went back up the mountain.
Well, he lives on that mountain, just like you live on yours. Why don't I make some smoothies?
Oh no! We never got the coconut we went to pick.
Huh? What's that?
Wait, is that... Snort! And you brought us a coconut!
That's why he went back up the mountain. To get you a coconut. Coconut smoothies for everybody. I think Snort is thanking you for saving him. And teaching him how to ride a leaf. You're very welcome, Snort. Just remember, if you're ever about to get run down by a rock, just snort for help. Here, try it, Everest.
Yum! I can't wait for my next trip to the jungle.
We're right behind you, Liberties.
Benny! I hope you didn't get too scared, buddy. It's not safe for you in the city. Woohoo! 2 rescues in 1. Hop on. I'll bring you back to the forest where you belong. Plus, we've got a chicken to save. I'm sorry I got you into this mess, Benny. But now you're home again. See you around. No, Nicoletta, stop! Whoa! Before you go over that waterfall! Woohoo! That was close.
Liberty, push the button on your pup tag.
A pup floating! Cool! Don't get scared, here, Chicky. I'm coming aboard. You said a beakful! I've got to keep us from going over!
Keep paddling, Liberty. We'll find a way to help you.
It's okay, Ryder. We've got this. Benny! Buddy! I need some big bear help! Benny, thanks!
Thanks, Ryder and Paw Patrol. And special thanks to you, Liberty. You saved Chicoletta and met a new best friend. You'll always be welcome in Adventure Bay.
You're welcome. Whenever a bear gives you a scare, just yell for help.
Rescue me faster, Barky Bunch! Flora and I have a contest to win!
Ryder, I'll try to lead that eagle away from Tracker.
Well, aren't you an enormous help?
Ryder to chase. We've rescued Winnie with some extra big help. And we found the flamingos.
That's such a cool dance.
Let's invite them to the festival so everyone can see it. I know who can help us with that. Ruff! Megaphone!
Go ahead, Marshall. I'll put on the speaker megaphone. Hong Kong, flamingos, follow Chase to the festival. Hong Kong.
And now for our special guests, Flora and the Flamingos!
Muchas gracias, Paw Patrol, for finding the twins and Flora.
You're welcome. Whenever your dancers have disappeared, just honk, honk for help.
Thanks to you rough rangers, Flora has abandoned me to join the flock. And that leaves me without a competitor for the flamenco contest.
Huh?
Hey, I found another monkey. Go Big Harry!
The contest winner is Big Harry!
Furry fellow, I want to take you on as an animal artiste. I can tell you have what it takes to be a really big star.
Oh, yeah! He's good! Ryder, I can see Miss Humdinger and the eagle.
Great, Skye. Just don't get too close. That eagle is very protective of her turf and really wants that trophy.
You can say that again, Ryder. Now she's after me. Rough ladder.
Oh, thanks for saving me again with your ladder, Marshall. Most improved bowler?
So that's not really Mayor Humdinger's trophy? And that's why all those animals wanted it. It had kitty treats inside. Sorry, Ms. Humdinger. I hope you're not too disappointed.
Disappointed? Sure, my Hummy Gummy knows better than to lie. But look at how important it was to him. He doesn't need a trophy woefy to make me proud of him.
Hello? What's all this?
Oh, Hummy Gummy! The Paw Patrol just, popped in for dessert.
Oh, well, then they can see my surprise, too. Look what I made. One.
Foggy Bottom Mare of the Year! Whoa, Hummy Gummy, how wonderful!
Let me see that. This is absolutely unacceptable. A hair is out of place on my mustache.
Thanks so much for saving the day.
No problem. And next time you lose a trophy, Wolfie, just yelpy for helpy Wolfie. Chase, stay below him and get ready to fire your net in case he falls. I'm on it! Or at least under it, Ryder.
Hurry, Mayor Humdinger. The plane is going to hit that tree.
You did it! You saved me! Now put me down this instant.
Aw, pobre monito. Poor monkey. He really misses his toy doll.
Oh, I'm so happy to see you too, my little fuzzballs. There, much better. Now, let's get out of this jungle before that giant monkey finds me again.
Aw, all Big Harry wants is his missing doll. What if we made him a new one, Ryder?
Whoa, whoa, what are you doing?
Making a pretend you. Great idea, Rocky. I've got the head. Quick, your top hat.
Oh, here, take it. Just keep that monkey away from me.
I love tea parties.
Who doesn't like a good tea party?
Me! I've had enough tea. But thank you for the save, Paw Patrol.
You're welcome. Whenever you wind up a giant monkey's favorite toy, just yelp for help.
Look, Mandy and her monkeys found Harry's old doll.
Oh, hey, give me back my hat. I've had enough monkeying around.
It's going over! Rubble on the jukebox double! Oh no, the records! I'll catch some! Paw Patrol, I need all of you to rescue some flying records. Rough net!
Got one. Got two. Gotcha.
I found the music in record time. Great work, pups. We'll meet back at Mr. Porter's and reload the jukebox.
Help, help, help!
But it sounds like Mayor Humdinger's in trouble. Rubble, you take care of the jukebox. Chase and I will check on Mayor Humdinger.
Nice wolfies. Run along home now.
I think the wolves want more of that catchy bluegrass music.
Make them go away, please.
I think I know how.
Ah, the best ever. Meow, 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 meow. Whoa!
Rough net.
Ow, 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 ow.
Mayor Humdinger, here you go. You can have your record back. And next time, just ask.
Fine. I'll just play my song in my lair all day long. Come back, kittens. We can have a kitty sing-along.
Thanks for finding the jukebox and returning all those wonderful records, Paw Patrol.
You're welcome. Whenever your jukebox goes missing, just sing out for help.
Oh, what a shame. No more superpowers for you so-called super baddies. I guess that means the meteor is mine. Copycat again? Say goodbye to your mighty meteor once and for all, Mighty Pups. As I say goodbye to you, saying goodbye to me. Oh, no, you don't. Come on, Tuck. Time to think big! Success! No one is bigger than the copycat! The meteor! I've got this!
Great job, Mighty Pups!
You haven't seen the last of the copycat!
Mr. Nibbles, you have to see this. Ryder and the Mighty Pups did it!
Meow.
Well, maybe all this Mighty Pup action is a little too much for you.
Why do I have to help with this?
Snatching the meteor was your idea, Uncle Mayor.
Oh, sure. Now give me credit.
Thanks again, Mighty Pups, for saving our town from those 3 naughty super baddies.
You're welcome. Whenever a trio of troublemakers team up, just yelp for help.
Paw Patrol. Paw Patrol.
I always wanted to be an art collector. Ruff! Extender! Who knew paintings grew on trees? Sorry, I couldn't bear to see you step on it.
I should have been a bald clown.
Ryder, the van is out of control and heading toward a cliff. Rough winch!
Stay in your seat. We'll help you out.
Stay in my seat, but I'll fall.
Skye, I need you to save the clown. One clown coming up.
Mayor Humdinger?
What can I say? I'm an art lover.
Are we almost done?
So much cleaning.
Oh, how many hands do you children have? And you didn't even save me one brownie? Oh.
Ryder, thank you for rescuing the paintings and the art festival.
You're welcome. Whenever your art disappears, just yelp for help.
I am ready to announce the results of the art festival. The winner is everyone.
I told you you'd win first place.
Go wide, Gasket. He can't chase both of us.
They split up, Ryder.
I'm following Gasket, but I'm not sure if she has a mask or not. Thanks, Wild. Shade, Chase, we need to follow Dwayne and Hubcap.
They're moving quickly, but if we distract them, we can catch up.
I've got some pup treats. Chase, think your launcher can reach them? You bet! Ruff! Launcher!
A yummy pup treat.
This is no time for a snack, Dwayne!
I've got the mask and you can't catch me. Uh-oh.
No! Sneaky.
I mean, haha! That was a trick. Gotta run, Gasket. I'm off to get the real mask.
Hubcap, look out for that cliff!
Cliff? What cliff? Meow! Tail sweep!
Good work, everyone. You rescued Hubcap and the mask.
Thank you, Paw Patrol, for rescuing this precious artifact from the clutches of the Rough Pack.
You're welcome, Mayor Goodway. Whenever your lion mask goes roaring away, just yelp for help.
Thanks, Paw Patrol.
Is this a bad time to ask for a ticket to your concert?
Gotcha! Nice job, Al. Chase, use your drone to airlift Al to his cab. Rough! Big truck, deploy! Rough drone! Okay, Skye, time to give Al's big truck a little boost.
Uh-oh, Ryder. I'll need some help on this.
Oh, we're going to fall off the cliff!
Not with this trucker at the wheel. Come on, you can do it.
Oh, Luke! Oh, didn't even have one extra ticket after all I did. Hey, that's my hat! Oh, ow!
I want to thank Ryder and the Big Truck Pups for saving the concert.
Whenever your show goes off the road, just yelp for help.
Hit it! A big old truck on the highway. Where you going to now? Hope that you'll take me my way. I need to get home somehow. Where we go, I'm not knowing, but I'll find friends wherever I roam. Big old truck, keep going and going and going, yeah. Friends make it feel just like home. When you got that, it doesn't matter where you hang your hat. Friends make it feel just like home. It doesn't matter